Hello, in this video we are going to discuss how to code fast and very fast. Today in this video we are going to design a sidebar menu and a drop down menu by just copy and pasting work. So first of all, for this create a new folder, name it any name, sidebar. Just open this folder in VS Code, close the welcome screen. First of all, you need to create a index.html file. You can name it any you want, HTML. After that, you need to create another file for styling. It may be style.css and any script file. It may be script.js. So first of all, set a boilerplate by we can change the title sidebar. Now open your any browser here and search sidebar menu and come to this link. Open this link. So what you have to do here, by just scrolling down, you need to copy, Control C, Control V here, save this file and open this file in live server. You can see here we have created a sidebar menu, but there is no styling yet. So now we have to add some styling. So for styling, just scroll down and come to the CSS portion. From here you can copy all the code, copy this code, Control C and come to the style.css and paste here, Control V, save this file. Now go to your live server. We need to link style.css file to HTML. For this we have to link our file, link style.css, save this file. Now come to sidebar menu. Now you can see a beautiful sidebar menu, but there is no functionality drop down menu. So we need to add our JavaScript tag, JavaScript code. Scroll down and copy all the code from here, Control C and come to the script.js file and paste here. So as style sheets for script tag, you also need to add script tag here, script file and source, link this file to script.js, save this file. Now go to your live server. You can see a drop down menu, but it's not working. Why? Sorry, my bad, spelling mistake, script.js, save this file. Now come to the file. Here you can see a drop down menu. Just within 2 or 3 minutes you can create a sidebar menu and a drop down link also. Now you can change all the menus as your need.